But yeah, besides that,
but she ran to the west side, and though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on.
Hi, Shavon Society. Hello. How you doing? Today is Tuesday, June 8th, and I am about to go get a facial and my teeth whitened, so you guys can come along with me. I'm like, let me just bring my camera so y'all can come. My thing is all messed up, but this is like my throw on whatever hat. I've had this for so long. I stole this actually from my fiance. It's a Tecma hat. But anywho, I don't look like nothing special. This is just a self-care day. Pardon me. I am going to get my nails done after it's kind of bright, but yeah, I'm going to get my nails done after I get my facial and get my teeth whitened. I'm actually going to a friend of mine. The esthetician is a friend of mine. We went to school together, so yeah, to SD school. So yeah, I'm gonna go see her. I missed her anyway. I haven't seen her in a little bit while, maybe 2 months. I don't know, something like that, like 2 months maybe. But yeah, so I'm gonna go there, and then I have to go, like I said, get my nails done after that. And then after that, I need to go to Target because I need to get all the last minute stuff that we need for our trip. My youngest son is turning 1, and we are, which I think I mentioned before, but anywho, my youngest son is turning 1, and we're having a big party for him back home where we are from, which is Cleveland, Ohio. So we're gonna be around, you know, like family, and he'll be able to see like all his cousins and stuff like that, so that'll be really cool. And I have been ripping and running these past few days, just trying to get stuff together. So that's what we'll be doing today. I work tomorrow. I don't know why I didn't take off tomorrow too, but I just didn't. I don't know. But anywho, I work tomorrow. But I did take off Thursday, so I can do all of the last minute, because we leave like super early Friday morning or Thursday night, I guess, whatever, Friday morning. Because we're gonna leave like 4 a.m. type of thing, because we want to get there at a certain time. So yeah, we're gonna leave then, so we won't have any time to do anything at all Friday. The only thing we want to do is get up and like literally get in the car, because we're driving. It's easier with the kids, and then hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more. Who is this walking right here like this? Y'all know I be paying attention to my surroundings, because I don't know who the hell. But anywho, yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
If you can't stand the rain, then I can't stand the sunshine.
But yeah, but y'all there.
Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top?
But yeah, that was so sad.
That is.
Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I could handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind.
Y'all, look at my face. Listen, I think I probably already put on the screen my friend's like Instagram and stuff, her Instagram page, but look at my face. I got my teeth whitened. Look at my teeth. It's giving I'm outside. It's giving I'm about to be outside. It's giving I'm glowing. It's giving 10 years younger. It's giving something. It's giving what it needs to give. She did so good, y'all, though. I got Dermaplan and facial, and then I got, you know, just teeth whitening. I got a 60-minute teeth whitening section. So yeah, I'm about to go in here, rush to get my nails done real quick. I still got time to go ahead and get these bad boys together before I have to go pick up my kids. So that's what we gonna do. I'm so happy I'm able to knock out. I like to schedule all my self-care in one day because it's easier. If I take off work, like I took off work, you know what I'm saying, today, then I want all my appointments back to back to back to back. I can just knock it out one day. It's too much for me to have to go back this day to work around my schedule and all that type of stuff, especially because we're getting ready for this trip. So it just would have been too much. So because I'm working tomorrow, if I mentioned before, don't know, but I'm not working Thursday and we leave Friday. So this really was the only day for me to like really get it done, because Thursday it would have been too last minute to me. So, and I'm trying better of not doing stuff last minute and rushing and feeling rushed. I'd rather just feel more prepared. So yeah, I'm about to go in here and get my nails done real quick. I probably will not, no, I'll record a little bit, but y'all see me get my nails done before. I'm going to my same place, Kelsey's nail salon, where I'm at. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead, get it together.
Only you can make me feel the way you do, you do. I'm right here, my dear, yeah. Pull up on me so sincere, yeah. 21 is your year.
This is crazy, this traffic right here. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute because I'm trying to rush to get my son. And then I'm gonna show you my nails. So, 1 minute. Why are you screaming? Raiden, slow down. Whew. Drinking, boo-boo. Making yourself choke. Alright, y'all. So I am back home finally. And I wanted to show y'all. What did I come in here for? I don't even remember. I came in here for something though. I want to show y'all my my nails real quick. I just got Old Faithful French tip because my toes are still good. So there we go. That's all. That's all. But they're really clean, neat, fresh. Exactly what we need for the occasion. You can never go wrong with French, with a nice little French tip. I actually like them. So yeah, those are my nails, y'all. So we good to go in my skin. One thing about it though, y'all, like I'm so for supporting people. I'm so for supporting people, but I'm so for supporting my people. I'm so for supporting black businesses as well. And I'm a firm believer in we all can eat, because I do a lot of esthetician services, as you guys know before, I'm pretty sure at this point, on myself. But if I can support and go to, you know what I mean, a friend of mine, because I have a few friends that are estheticians, as you guys know, so why not, you know what I mean? Like at some point I'm like, okay, I'm tired of doing this stuff for myself. Let me go call up one of my girls. So anywho, yeah, I love Amani. Her spirit is just amazing. And yeah, y'all check her out if you're in the Raleigh area, and you check her out. Like, I don't do stuff like, so she does teeth whitening, I don't do that. So like for specifics, all of us doesn't do the same thing in terms of like esthetician services between, you know, the few friends that I have that are estheticians. So it's actually dope. It works out because it's like one may do this, one may do that, so you know we can go to each other for that particular service. But anywho, I got Dermaplan, like I said before, which you should be able to notice, because I noticed like instantly almost. Yeah, and I still even have like my little glow too. But got all of that dead skin and just like, I just call it peach fuzz hair off my face. And yeah, just got my teeth whitened and they look amazing. I'll see you guys later. I'm out to just kind of like settle down, of course, to get the kids settled. They're eating dinner right now, so I'm gonna get the kids settled, get myself settled. I want to take a nice shower. Like I told you, in the summertime, when you coming from places and you ripping and running, like it seemed like the whole day just sticks on you, like, and I feel like the whole day is on me. So I just want to like take a nice, clean, fresh, soothing shower and just get into relaxation mode, and probably pour me a glass of wine. It has been, oh my gosh, when the last time I poured me a nice glass of wine? I don't know, it's been days. It's been days. I'm saying it like it's been years or something, but it's been days. But anywho, I'm about to pour me some wine. So y'all have a good night. I know I'm about to have a good night, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It is 5 a.m. Today is Friday. Like I said, it's like 5 a.m. so that's why I'm like kind of whispering, because I haven't woke the boys up yet. I'm just doing like a few last minute things around the house. I got all our stuff together because I didn't want to rush with that, like packed and all that type of stuff, which I'm sure you probably seen in this vlog. But anywho, I got all of that stuff together, but I don't like to leave my house like a mess, because I don't want to come home to a mess. And I pretty much cleaned up a few days ago, but my children mess up every day. So really you're cleaning up every day irregardless. So I'm just straightening up some last minute stuff before we leave. But we had planned on being up this early anyway. Really 4 o'clock, but we end up getting up at 5 so that we can head out at the latest, like literally I-10 by 10. We are so I-10 by 10 people, if y'all know what that means. But no, we don't want to get on the highway no later than like 7, 8 o'clock, pushing it the latest. We want to be on the road, gassed up, don't need anything, food, breakfast, all of that, to cruise for, you know, at least 3 hours. My kids ride really good on the road, which I'm like super happy about. They're really chill in the car, so like you can go 2-3 hours without having to stop, you know, before we have to do bathroom breaks and stretch our legs and all that type of stuff. And can y'all see the time? 8:06. What did I say this morning? 8 o'clock. Boom.
Don't not get straight but straight. Don't not get straight but straight, you straight. Don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I'm the type to sit back and watch back. You like my grandma made it. I get the keys. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need somewhere to spend it. I just press a button and the top go missing. I got the slip so you know it's not winning, yeah. Oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, they saw you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. Thank God I made it. Fast forward, I picked up a Glock, put 100. Came from nothing, no everything. I'm not looking. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Drop the Porsche, put that bitch's sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already here, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I want up for sure. You said break a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club.
What, man?
Say we made it.
Nigga, we made it. These two. So we checked in, you guys.
So 6 to 9 months. One. I say we use this setback right there.
Hello, governors. Bathroom. Y'all know I said last time, I think, maybe a couple times on my vlogs, that we have to get the room with the separate family room, or private family room is what it's called, and not just the room with the beds in the bathroom, because they gotta be able to hang out. Well, we all, but yeah, when you have kids, you need the whole little shebang. So we're about to just settle in. Ready, baby, set, go! Yay! Yeah?
Big man did it.
This is my little brother. I'm sure you could tell because he's like a little clone of me. Come on, Chunkamite. And my mom is here. Come on, Mike. Hey. Ma. Does she look like me, y'all?
Who's your camera on the camera with?
YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, Ma.
Hi, YouTube. What up?
Share, please. Okay, I get that.
You hear me?
Huh?
They have pickled fries and mozzarella sticks. Cheese quesadillas.
Brayden, close the door. Thank you.
So that's for the burgers and Angus steak.
Wow, that's pretty obvious, Mom. They're named burgers and beers.
I mean,
Y'all messed up my whole
but they
little thing.
added like turkey, black bean, veggie.
They got turkey burgers.
Yeah. Oh wow, they had
That was good too,
They
but
had milkshakes. Oh wow, Shire, look, they have the tea lemon.
I don't know if I
raspberry
feel like
peach
being on the
and
toilet
mango.
tonight, Mom. You must want to be on the toilet.
I have to eat and get it out of my system because I'm having a thing on Sunday.
What?
What is it called?
The body
No,
thing?
the colonic.
Oh, colonic. Colonic. Are you?
Yeah, I'm having one.
Oh,
Sunday.
yeah. So you trying to get your cheat meals or something?
Yeah, this is it. So this will be a treatment. Tomorrow I'm just gonna just drink water.
Yeah, do like salad.
I probably wouldn't even. I'm gonna try to go whole. I'm gonna try to go whole.
Oh, you said how it
And
works?
just drink water.
Well, here's how it works.
H2O.
Mom, I don't know. That's tough. Maybe do lemon water or something. You know they say
Or
lemon.
cucumber. I was thinking
Oh
about
yeah,
just some
cucumber. Yeah.
You said how it work going? Oh, what's going good?
I ain't asked you nothing about how no work going.
I got kindergarten.
Since you want some camera time.
You want to keep talking about that old cheesy ass job? You only been working the dog on.
You was yelling at me because I
Somebody
didn't did it.
But keep talking about how it's work going.
Right.
Nobody
You see how he came over here? Nobody asked you about
Did
that.
you see it right? We asked him to try to
Okay,
work.
my
We
little
like, oh, how's
my
work
little
going?
brother got his first job, y'all. So he gotta let us know how his first job going.
Yes.
Oh.
He ain't even
I'm proud
seen that
of him.
check. No dividends. That,
Mommy said he ain't
that's
seen his
already-
check
As soon as
yet.
they hand it to him, you know how it just blow up like a fire.
You probably owe.
That
Right,
ass
it's
is
gonna
gonna
be
take wings to gone. That's mine. They
that
need
check-
to just sign it over to me.
They-
Shauna. They should just say Shauna. Yes.
I'm sure you probably owe.
Yeah,
Your check
you-
out of here.
Yeah. His tab is so long.
I know it's tab
I
long.
owe her like 200.
I bet. Cause you just put it on my tab. Get my check.
Yeah.
Yeah, that check's out of here, buddy.
Yes.
First couple checks.
Why you even get it?
Check
I'm sick of dealing with dudes.
I used to do that with my
ghetto
first
credit
job.
cards.
Why you put it on?
No, Ma, I used to do that with my first job.
Oh my
Not
God,
ghetto
I'm
credit
so
cards.
sick of these dudes, these concrete credit cards.
No, these the IOUs.
Like yeah, like you can't swipe it, you can't do nothing with them.
It's a credit.
No, ain't no chip on them bitches or nothing. They just that's it.
Stamp.
Yes.
Right on your spit.
You let him have it, but he got the keys too. Heat that up for me, Shire, for your nephew. The
But what
microwave
about
is
the
in
little
kitchen.
boy that you like?
Ori?
Yeah.
Ori, that's my guy.
What show think what
You
he
so
doing?
funny talking about some of that shit.
What he be doing?
He's doing game times. Wait, where am I?
At the top. Yeah.
Scooter, look,
I know.
Scooter, you okay?
Every time I pull the camera out, he loved it, Mom.
Oh,
Tell your father to
take a picture.
follow me
Take a
on
picture,
social
Scooter.
media.
Smile.
Look at it.
You make
He's
faces.
He's funny.
Smile. Blink. Hi.
He's such a big boy.
Oh, it's just look. It's really.
What's your task? Like, what you do, gym? Or what? Oh, okay.
You grabbing on your brother?
So do they do different activities throughout the day?
Get off of him.
We got,
Y'all go to different like
we got a whole
phases.
schedule.
Oh,
Like
that's
our
what I.
group.
I'm not trusting that they did the
Sanitization, because they don't. They don't. They run through it. They don't.
Because this probably needed a steam and everything. And this doesn't give me steam.
Not at
or
all.
anything.
Not at
How
all.
you was? 40.
Not at all.
How was it?
Who? Who was like that?
Look, it's really boy. You like this?
Oh, you know that?
Yeah.
He made it up.
Yeah, he would go like this.
Oh, he advanced.
Yeah. He like.
Yes, baby.
Brayden.
P. E. A. E. A. Y. Yay! You're so smart. High five. Thank you.
Oh, this book is in the book.
So y'all look. Ray just went to go pick the cake up, and I mean, like, she did better than I expected. It's kind of bright. Huh? Yeah, that makes it too bright. Look, y'all. Like, I didn't cheat. Like, all of these little touches. Wow. She did so good, y'all. And I know it's about to be so good, because the thing about when you order cakes from people, like, I've gotten cakes from people and it looks nice on the outside, but it's be dry. It tastes funny, like the cake don't be tasting right. But her cakes always, because I've gotten many cakes from her before, her cakes always, y'all can just see the detailing. Her cakes always taste so good. Look at these bricks. Like, she really, come on, y'all. Wow. That is my girl, man. And I've been supporting her since the beginning. Hey y'all, we running late, but it's down the street, but we still running late. So I can't do much vlogging right now, so I'll vlog at the party.
But I'm starting to question the love that was made. I'm not looking for just an affair. Want a love that is based on the truth, not just days. I'm right now, you decide that you are not ready to settle down. But if you want my heart, then it's time that you start to act like your mind is the light and the dark. If you love me, say it. If you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. If you need me, prove it. If you love me, say it. If you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. If you need me, prove it. See, now actions speak louder. So don't just say things that I've already heard. I want to body without your soul.
Say something to Baby Ray for his first birthday. He gonna say he can look back on this, 20 or something. Yeah, birthday, young man. Give him some advice. He's one.
Don't listen to your auntie guys. It's crazy.
Adult punch, kid punch.
So if you're trying to lay on me, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Can't you feel the way I feel when you want me, when you want you tonight, baby? Tell me that you're coming through. So sweet, so sweet, so tight, so tight. I won't bite unless you like, If you smoke, I got the hate. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love, it could be making up. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Tell me what I say is coming straight from my heart. So if you're trying to lay these off, I'ma leave the so if you're trying to lay on me, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Can't you feel the way I feel when you want me, when you want you tonight, baby? Tell me that you're coming through. So sweet, so sweet, so tight, so tight. I won't bite unless you like, If you smoke, I got the hate. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love, it could be making up. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Tell me what I say is coming straight from my heart. So if you're trying to lay these off, I'ma leave the tell me what I say is coming straight from my heart. So if you're trying to lay on me, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Can't you feel the way I feel when you want me, when you want you tonight, baby? Tell me that you're coming through. So sweet, so sweet, so tight, so tight. I won't bite unless you like, If you smoke, I got the hate. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love, it could be making up. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Tell me what I say is coming straight from my heart. So if you're trying to lay these off, I'ma leave the happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending.
Go, Raiden, go.
Good morning, society. Yesterday was so much fun. I know that you guys seen clips of yesterday, because I think I got some pretty good footage. It was so much going on yesterday. So yes, we are headed home now. We're just saying bye to family members and we are on our way home. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. I don't know if I'm in this vlog here or not, probably so, because we're just traveling home. But yeah, if so, see y'all later.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah.